In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the VPN China app. Very simple and easy. So this is one of the free VPNs you can find on Google Play Store. I don't know whether it's available for iOS users on the App Store too as well. But then if you have it, that's how it looks like. And let me show you guys how to use it. So this is the interface, just like I said. So to connect, you can see connect VPN China. You just tap on that and you're connecting. Very simple. So I'm not going to connect that. So now let's come back. Good. And now you can see we have Netherlands here on the screen. You can see we have Netherlands and the rest. You can check your IP. You see my IP address is the one appearing on top there. That's the top right corner of your screen under the share. Good. So that's it. You just connect. Now let's move to the servers, the locations in which you can switch to, or you can get access to their resources when you're using this VPN. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of our screen. And now let's move to server list. Good. So you can see these are all Chinese locations, Chinese cities, but they need to be on a pro version. But then we have Beijing, Hong Kong, and a couple countries that you can connect whilst you're on the free version. So for easy and simple access, tap on the free, and then you get access to all these free locations: London, US, Russia, Ukraine, and the rest. If you want pro, you come here. And also if you want faster connection to, you just tap on the fast megabyte per second, something like that. Now tap on the hamburger menu again, and your history is going to show you all the countries you've connected using the VPN. You get it? Because I've not connected any country or any server, I don't find any history here. Tap on the hamburger menu again and VPN filter. Good. So these are 1, 2, 3 settings. If you're very much good with networking, these are things you can do. Some settings you can make on your VPN. So now let's tap on the settings, and you can change the app theme. We have dark here. Let me tap on the dark and you see changes. And then now let's switch to light so that you guys can see well. Good. And the protocols here, you can see I have OpenVPN. You can turn on WireGuard. Even on the WireGuard, you can turn on that on the interface. I'm going to show you guys later. And these are all some things here. If you have a promo code, you can tap on that to get the pro version. I think it's very simple. Connect on startup. Yeah. So if you want your VPN to connect immediately when you turn on your mobile phone or you start using your mobile phone, you just tap on that. So let me uncheck that kill switch. You can tap on that too as well, and always show at the notification bar. Always show at the notification bar that is going to be appearing here, which is not important, I think. So let's leave that. And then English version, if you speak a different language, you can tap on that. Change the language. Very simple. Battery optimization too, you can do same. Just tap on that, open your battery optimization. Let me cancel that. So I've turned on power saving mode on the phone. That's why you see some constraint. Yeah. So it's very simple and easy to use. Now let's tap on the hamburger menu again, and then you see remove ads. So if you want to go on the pro, you want to upgrade yourself, just like I showed you earlier, if you have a promo code, you can enter it there. Get some discount. If you want to go straight, you just tap on remove app. You just tap on the remove ads, and then the currency is going to change to your local currency. And if you want to ask them a question, or you want to contact the customer service, you tap on the ask the question. Good. So going to redirect me to my Gmail. Their Gmail is going to pop up automatically. Yeah, and then you send them a mail. Since you have an account with them, it's very simple. They are going to get access to you simply. So that's it on using the VPN China. Very simple. When you tap on the connection, it brings you to your main interface. Simple as that. And the WireGuard, just like I was talking about, this here, by ping by users. Yeah, very simple. So that's it on how to use the VPN China. I have a lot of reviews on couple VPNs, free ones. This is a free and a premium one, so you can go free and later upgrade if you want to. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.